Researchers show that long-term consumption of green tea shows health benefits to the body. Green tea is a great drink to drink in the morning. Green tea contains enough caffeine to give you an energy boost. Unlike coffee, green tea contains the amino acid L-theanine, which prevents excess caffeine and provides energy throughout the day. Green tea can also be drunk at night. Some types of green tea have more caffeine than black tea. Therefore, individuals that are sensitive to caffeine need to be aware when consuming green tea at night. In the morning, as green tea is rich in caffeine, as is coffee, and helps to give you a boost to start the day. In addition, if consumed in the late afternoon or at night, it can disturb sleep, so without a doubt, the morning is the best time. It is recommended to drink green tea after meals because the catechins in green tea can inhibit the growth of mutans bacteria that cause tooth decay. On the other hand, the caffeine in green tea may disturb sleep, so it should be avoided before bed.